Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the drum baffle screw in your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the screw is damaged, broken, or missing. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the appliance that we'll be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Keep in mind yours at home might look a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same techniques should still apply. Just make sure you turn your gas off. So we're going to start by turning our dryer around. So what we'll need to do is remove these screws up here in order to get the control panel off. So now that we've got the back unscrewed, we can just slide the control panel over, and we're going to lift it up, and we're going to put it back in this space right here. Now we're going to open up our dryer door, and on either side there are two screws going straight up. So we need to remove those screws now, and we're going to be using a Phillips head screwdriver to take these screws out. Now that we've got those screws out, we can take the top off. All we have to do is just lift up and pull back slightly on the top. And we'll set that off to the side. So now that I've got these screws out, I want to close up our front dryer door. So now you can see here, we've got a space for 3 different screws, but we've only got 2 screws in this baffle, causing the baffle to be loose. And with it being loose like that, when it's got a load of laundry in it and it's spinning around, tumbling, if you got something a little bit heavier or a bigger load, it could potentially damage or break the baffle because of how loose it is like that. So grab your new OEM replacement drum baffle screw, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we'll put the screw into the baffle, and we'll screw that down nice and tight. We're going to be using a Phillips head screwdriver for this as well. Now that we've got that screwed down nice and tight, you'll see that the baffle is not loose like it was before. You'll see that the baffle is nice and tight in there, meaning that there's a lot less potential for it to be damaged. Now I'm going to put the top back on, and you'll see there are 2 tabs sticking out from the top, and there are going to be 2 slots that correspond with them. So I want to line all those up. So after I line those up, I'm going to make sure that the tabs go into the slots, just like that. And there's a couple on the front as well. So now we can screw that back in. So we'll put in our screw. And with that little tiny hole at the top, you should be able to line up the screw with the hole that it belongs to there. Once you got that started a little bit, finish screwing it in. There we go. Now we're going to put our lint filter back into place since that came out a little while ago. Go. Now we can close our dryer door. Now we can line our control panel back up and slide that back over and set that back into place. Now we can screw it back in. Now we can turn our dryer back around, and then once we do that, we'll plug everything back in, and your repair is complete. Now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.